If you're new to my channel, please check out the videos below. If you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. So my question today for you is, are you happy with your Tacoma transmission? Post below. So Toyota has done an update for your automatic transmissions, and I'll be talking about it in a minute. As of this moment, I am at 4,300 subscribers, and as promised, at 5,000 subscribers, I am going to have a big giveaway. A couple of the vendors that I can name is Tacoma Beast and Ecological. So those will be good. So tell a friend, tell your family, and of course, if they like it, subscribe to my channel. So want to go over a couple questions. Jesse Rizzo asked me, what's next on your taco? So the answer to your question is, I'm actually doing a Blackview camera install, and you've actually done yours. So I'll be talking about my own version. Tyler Dang asks, where's a good place to get TRD Pro wheels? That's a great question. I think the best place to get is eBay, but I would wait until there is a big sale. I've seen 10%, 15, 20% sales. There's a limit off per that, but it's still discounted. And you can also negotiate and make an offer with the dealerships that you're getting the wheels from. There are two kinds of wheels. There's TRD Tacoma wheels. They're 16-inch. I used to have those, by the way. And then there's the 17-inch from a 4Runner. So either one, like I said, I would go through eBay for that. Those are the questions that we have from there. Also want to say it was a pleasure to meet you guys on Sunday's OC Overland meet at Cape Toyota. A bunch of stuffed toys were given. I mean, it was truckloads, literally, of these stuffed animals for Ronald McDonald House. So I want to say thanks to the community. You guys are awesome to show up and contribute all these things. I want to also give out a shout out to all the vendors that were there. I think Switch Pros, Rego, Casey, VTX, of course, OEM Audio, Pro Eagle donated some stuff. If I missed you guys, I apologize. It was a pretty big list. Remember, if we hit the 5,000 subscribers, I got a bunch of stuff that you guys can win.
Help me help you. Help me help you.
So great news for your automatic transmission owners. Toyota has released a new update or multiple updates for the 2016, 2017, and I've heard 2018 automatic transmissions. So take it to the dealer, tell them there's a TSB. I'll put all the links below with the TSB numbers so you can have those reference and have them reprogram your truck. If you're not having any program issues, you might have already been updated recently. So let me know your feedback if that's the case. And again, for all you guys that haven't done it, this should help with the gas pedal issues as far as maybe a stalling, as far as shifting in different gears or hunting they call it, and as far as surging. So those are the three issues that are the major complaints of having a Tacoma in automatic transmission. And that's actually the reason why I got stick shift. So again, post below if you've done it or going to do it, and let me know the results. I got more videos down the line, still working hard getting it. If you have any suggestions, ideas, comment below, and I'll see if I can do it. If I can do it, I will do it, as you know. And again, thank you so much for watching this channel. If it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be making these videos. I want to say thanks and peace out, guys.